Have you been waiting for the right time to get a new amateur radio repeater? Wait no longer, the time is now. For a limited time only, when you buy any BridgeCom repeater, you'll get a free programming kit as well as a free hand mic. That's over $115 in savings. Our repeaters are perfect for amateur, commercial, emergency management, and GMRS. We have 3 different varieties, the 2 meter, 220, and 70 centimeter models. Our repeaters have a continuous duty power output, real continuous duty. That means this repeater can run all day long with no problems. Our repeaters have DC battery backup connectors, so you never have to worry about your repeater falling down. An internal controller, so you don't have to spend extra money on a controller. A 25-pin accessory connector, so if you want, you can connect the repeater to virtually any controller on the market. And we will even perform the initial programming at no additional charge to you. So you can plug and play as soon as it arrives, saving you money and time to spend with your kids over the holidays. We also have an optional MMDVM package for amateur use that will turn your analog repeater into a digital capable repeater. We also offer a 2-year manufacturer warranty, and to top it off, they're all built right here in the United States of America. Get $115 in savings on top of the fantastic customer support and 2-year warranty. Click the link below to claim your deal before time runs out.